Hello everyone. Now let's continue with Unit 1, Introduction to AI. Now here we are talking about the second topic, which is problem solving with AI. Okay. What are the four types that are there? One is structured problems, unstructured problems, linear problems, non-linear problems. Let's look at it in detail. Structured problems. Structured problem is a one where there is an initial state. Then there is a goal state, which is the final state. And the constraints are clearly specified. What are the limitations to the structured problems? So these three are there. It's very clear. These problems have a right answer and a logical step by step path. If we follow the path step by step, we'll arrive at a correct answer. That's what it is. So, for example, solving a mathematical problem, algebraic problem, or a math problem, converting Celsius to Fahrenheit. There is a formula. If we follow it, we will arrive at a right solution. Problem step by step. So if we do it right, we'll arrive at a correct answer. If we don't do it right, incorrect answer. So it's a straightforward. Second is unstructured problems. Now, what is a ill-structured problem? That is, it is complex, ambiguous. Ambiguous meaning the output can be anything. So there is no clear-cut solution or a predefined path. There will be a path, but the output is not predictable. There will be a path to solve it, but the output may differ. The problems often involve conflicting values and missing information. So let's talk about an example. Deciding on a career path. There is no correct answer for it. We can choose any line and it may work or may not work. So there is no correct answer for this. So we decide based on your personal values and current context what is happening. So this is one. Second is there's a deciding on security. What is the kind of security that we should give when 10,000 people are attending, 1 lakh people are attending? What will happen? What are the issues that might arise in a gathering? We can't predict the outcome of it. So that is a second example. So unstructured problem is the problem with no proper step. So the answer may be vague. Third is linear problems. Linear problem is something where input and output can be represented by a straight line in 2D or a 3D. In these models, if you increase the input, the output changes proportionally. That's what this graph shows. So here the input and output. If we increase the input, the output will correspondingly increase. So example is the price of a house based on square footage, area of the house. As the area increases, the prices increase at relatively steady and predictable rate. So this we know. 1,000 square feet will be lesser. 2,000 square feet will be relationally more expensive. So this is the third one. Fourth is non-linear problems. Non-linear problem is something where the relationship between input and output is complex, curved, and does not follow a pattern. Okay. Changes in the input does not mean there will be an equivalent proportional change in output. For example, weather forecasting. What happens due to temperature, pressure, and humidity? The Weather can go unpredictable. We have always seen this. There will be rain, they'll say, and we will not get rain. Okay, this is non-linear. So there is an input and there is an output. The output can go fluctuate. This is non-linear. Okay, these were the four types of problems that we have seen using problem solving using AI. One is structured, second is unstructured, third is linear, and fourth is non-linear. Okay, that's it. Next is we'll talk about the next video. Thank you for watching. Best of luck, students.